Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you are all doing well and having a great life. So in this video today I'm gonna show you some amazing and beautiful crochet pattern designs for baby frocks, and you can design it for your baby and your baby will look so beautiful and elegant. And your baby, you can even customize these designs for your clients if you are selling the products like frocks, and you can earn a good amount from this business because in Western countries these types of crochets are top trending nowadays, and people really want to buy this type of stuff because their quality is very good and plus they are handmade. To make a crochet dress, you will need to be you will need a few basic supplies like including a crochet hook, yarn, and stitches markers. So you can crochet it for newborn baby, for adults, for no matter what age it is. You can design it and you can contrast with different colors like this one green, mint green with shocking, and this red color. I like the pastels color and some dark colors. It's all depend the occasion. And if you like the video, do subscribe the channel and share with your friends, and let me know your favorite crochet pattern design for frocks from this video. And yeah, that's all. Go and check out my latest updates on the frocks design. Bye, have a good day.